We're on the Serenade of the Seas on an Alaskan cruise, and we're going to walk you through the ship. Alright, we're on deck 2 in the center of the deck. And so on that side, on the aft, is the boarding area. And over there on the forward part, there's more staterooms and a medical facility. To get to the medical facility, first you have to go to the deck 3 and then come back down to get to the medical facility because there's a door kind of blocking it on this side. Right now we're on deck 3 and there's only staterooms here, but we're gonna go check how to get to the medical facility. We came down the stairs from 3, and to the left is the medical facility. Alright, so now we're on deck 4 and we're closer to the forward of the ship. Because it's quieter here. And on the 4th deck, there's staterooms, there's the reflection dining room, there's card room, guest services, shore excursions, the R bar, and RC online. So we're here again because it's quieter. In the Centrum area is where they have dance class, music class, and parties. So it's a lot more lively. So yeah, this is the 4th floor. Alright, so now we're on deck 5. On this deck, you can see, you can get the Cafe Latitudes. There's the shops, the arts and photo gallery, conference center, and tropical theater. Tropical theater is in the forward, and in the aft is the reflection dining room. In the shops, you can get your Royal Caribbean gear. Alright, so now we're on deck 6. In the forward, you'll find vintages, the casino, pub, cinema, and tropical theater. And in the aft, you'll see the Safari Club, chef's table, Giovanni's table, Chops Grill, and the schooner bar. We're on deck 7, and there's business services in the forward and more staterooms, and the aft has more staterooms. And deck 8 is just all staterooms. Deck 9 is all staterooms, and we are on deck 9. And deck 10 is just all staterooms also. Alright, so now we're on deck 11, the most liveliest deck. It's got the main pool, it's got the pool bar, park cafe, solarium bar all in the forward, solarium hair salon, and the Vitality Spa in the aft. We've got the Windjammer and Rita's Cantina. Alright, so we are on deck 12, and in the forward of deck 12, there's the Fuel Teen Disco, Sky Bar, Jogging Track, and the Vitality Spa and Fitness Center. And in the aft, there's the Fairways of Serenade, I believe that's the mini golf. There's rock climbing, the Izumi restaurant, the Japanese restaurant. There's the arcade, sports
court, adventure beach, adventure ocean, and a nursery.
And we've made it to deck 13, and it's in the aft of the ship. So on this deck there is the vortex, the Viking room, which is essentially the same, and Diamond Club, and the Concierge Club.